The overall resource trade known as Wax is one of the famous virtual monetary standards and most utilized Layer 1 blockchain biological systems worldwide, particularly for non-fungible tokens, dApps, and computer games. Wax permits its effective money management clients to make, purchase, sell, and exchange various things around the world. Its day for kickoff is 2017. Being the ruler of the NFT market, Wax has effectively exchanged great many NFTs from its accomplices. The Wax environment comprises of trades, Wax cloud wallets, games, blockchain administrations, commercial centers, DEX, patent portfolio, and protected innovation authorizing. What is Wax coin? The local digital money of the Wax network is known with the ticker image WAXP. WAXP is utilized for marking, casting a ballot, an installment of the multitude of administrations in the Wax stage. At the point when the speculation coin is marked, it is kept aside and put away there until the client claims it. This expands the shortage of coins. Clients can recover the marked tokens, and it will give awards over the long run. Wax considers marking as a commitment to the blockchain. Dissimilar to different tokens, WAXP can be marked without an exchange expense. Wax holders have the democratic power for the administration of the biological system. The Wax tokenomics model meets the adaptation abilities of DEFI. The deal costs of virtual merchandise are recorded in the Wax token. Assume anything is recorded on different monetary forms. All things considered, it must be changed over into Wax cryptographic money through a virtual cash switching system over completely to the ongoing worth at the hour of procurement. The higher the quantity of Wax token clients holds, the higher the client's democratic power. The Wax token is utilized as a charge for exchanges and messages, however, at a less sum. The Wax token has 18 decimal spots. Thus, it very well may be utilized for miniature exchange settlements. The Wax stage possesses 4 sorts of records. 3 are performed by outside specialists, and 1 independently. WAXP token can be changed over into WAXE. Clients can consume WAXP to gather WAXE. WAXE is an ERC20 and can likewise be utilized in Ethereum, DeFi stages. WAXG is the administration badge of the speculation stage. It is likewise an Ethereum-based ERC20 token disseminated to WAXE stakers. There are predominantly 3 kinds of deciding on Wax. Society casting a ballot to decide in favor of organizations, intermediary casting a ballot, labor proposition casting a ballot. dApps designers likewise benefit from marking their Wax tokens since it assists them with holding the framework asset. WAXP is adaptable since it is traded without any problem. ICO has raised around $9,600,000 worth of Wax token. Specialized examination of WAXP. Financial backers have booked a few benefits on computerized coins last week, particularly in Bitcoin, contrasted with the most recent 14 days. The principal 7-day stretch of December gives a bullish indication for the digital currency world. December 1, 2021 was a decent day for Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Solana. In spite of the disarray of the new pandemic variation and the feeling of dread toward a market slump, the digital money market floods on December 1, 2021. Information shows the worldwide crypto world has a 5% up on the last exchanging meeting. However, numerous computerized coins confronted remedy after December 3rd. Some altcoins are as yet lingering behind force. Dealers are not showing interest in these coins. Wax WAXP has as of late been recorded in Binance. Wax cost has profited from this posting, floods over 204%. The ascent went on till the third 7-day stretch of November 2021. The ongoing cost of Wax WAXP is around 30 cents with a market cap of $588,086,358.74. Flowing stockpile is 1,940,204,001 WAXP. 24-hour exchanging volume is $50,657,200.80. The most exorbitant cost at which Wax WAXP was exchanged is $5.01, right around quite a while back. The unsurpassed low of Wax cost equivalent 1 cent, which was in 2019 according to the accessible information. In August 2021, there was an enormous flood in Wax cost at specific trades. This is because of the expanded interest of NFT, and the extraordinary administrations and devices of Wax have drawn in the gaming organizations to list their smash hit games in Wax WAXP. Verifiable information says Wax, after a descending pattern, encountered a pattern inversion and began moving vertical from the very outset of October 2021. Afterward, in the midst of worldwide signs, Wax likewise showed a retracement in cost level. From last week onwards, WAXP cost shows a ruin with the development of a solid negative flame. In any case, subsequent to hitting a low at 39 cents, the coin enlisted sideways exchanging. Afterward, December 6, 2021 was the sixth back-to-back day of Wax cost drop with sell Wax sign. From specialized investigation information, prompt obstruction is set at 32 cents. In the event that Waxp cost can break this level, it needs to confront the obstacle of 39 cents. The following obstruction is 44 cents. Significant obstruction is put at 53 cents levels. Assuming the Wax cost drop proceeds, the Waxp cost raises a ruckus around town of 25 cents, and financial backers can sit tight for the following help. Significant help is set at 23 cents. Wax value expectations from 2022, 2026, 2021 was a forward leap in the historical backdrop of the crypto world. Major administrative discussions are in the conversation, which made an enormous effect on the crypto market. Individuals hurried to crypto this year, which was the purpose for the flood of the crypto market cap. The eventual fate of computerized coins is continually developing. Organizations are raising trend-setting innovation to turn into a piece of the race. Wax has wide application and utility. The drawn-out Wax gauge expects a decent return in Wax Waxp cost. In any case, the cost of Wax moves is exceptionally connected with the organization's presentation, declarations, public consideration, and income. The quantity of altcoins has been expanding step by step, fortifying future contests. Due to its remarkable attributes, Wax has shown long-haul procuring potential in the Wax figure. Wax Value Gauge 2022. The most extreme anticipated cost of Wax is 42 cents as it were. Because of the dive of the cryptographic money world and different reasons, the token is supposed to skip to the obstruction level as it were. This implies Wax digital money can't be viewed as a wise interest soon founded on our Wax cost expectation. Wax Coin Value Forecast 2023. Wax Waxp cost forecast predicts a start at 54 cents. A progressive ascent is anticipated. In any case, it's not possible for anyone to ensure something similar. The year predicts a mix of rising and drop in the cost of Wax. The greatest Wax Waxp cost expectation for the year's end is determined at 51 cents, which is a decent profit from venture for the people who put resources into Wax contrasted with the earlier year. The base cost of Wax is normal at 40 cents start of the year according to our Wax cost forecast. Wax Crypto Value Forecast 2024. Wax is anticipated to start at 59 cents in 2024. The future cost expected for the year end is 62 cents. And that implies a tremendous expansion in the cost of Wax in view of our examination and Wax cost expectation. While considering the 3 years of Wax cost expectation, the worth has denoted a gigantic development at the ongoing cost level. A most extreme Wax cost equivalent 58 cents. And the base cost for the year is 37 cents in light of our Wax cost expectation. Wax Token Value Expectation 2025. Wax cost expectations are expected to start at 65 cents, with a sluggish cost increment. It will reach 66 cents in the span of a half year of the period. Wax cost forecast shows it will break an unequaled high this year with an expanded market cap and transform into a beneficial venture. Most extreme Wax cost expectations for the year are 66 cents, and the least cost is 52 cents.